Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to deposit on OKX.com. Now we are on the OKX homepage. All we have to do is hover over here to the top right with the assets, and from here simply click on deposit. Now you can manually type which asset you would like to transfer, or you can scroll down. There's a whole list of them. But let's say I'm transferring Solana. Now it will give you a reminder that you can only deposit Sol via Solana, and there is a minimum amount. It shows us exactly the minimum amount we can deposit and an estimate on how long it will take. Solana can go through a few other networks, I believe, but in this case, they will only allow the network on Solana, and this is the deposit address. But let's say we're transferring USDT. In this case, there are several networks we can use. And some of them have different minimum deposits, and most of all, they have different estimated time arrivals. But let's say we're using TRC20 because this is one of the more common networks used for USDT transfers. It is also one of the lowest fees. Now you can simply scan this with a QR code, or you can copy this address by clicking on copy. For this video, I will choose copy. Once it's copied, let's say we are transferring from BitGet. So now what we have to do is withdraw, and we are on USDT. If we paste that address, as you can see, it reminds us that the address does not match the chain name. That's because it's on the BEP20. We would have to use the TRC20 as well. And there you go. Once you click next, simply enter the amount. It will give you an estimate of the fees and the amount that you'll be receiving over at OKX. Once you click withdraw, you'll just need to go through a few verifications, and you can expect that the USDT will arrive in approximately 1 or 2 minutes at most. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.